start my speech with the quotation of our first President Nursultan Abishullah Nazarbayev. In order to make our generation capable for competition, we should strengthen our educational system.
My name is Nuraydar Nurghaliyev Maratullah. I graduated Kazakh Ablayxan University at International Relations and World Languages. I've been working as a teacher for 3 months. I'm first year at school named after Ibray Altansarin. I'm a young teacher. It's interesting to teach learners and to work with them.
Stand up. Hello children.
Hello, teacher.
How are you?
I'm fine.
Thank you. Sit down please.
Teaching learners, I always get positive mood. And also try not to interrupt them at the lesson. I praise my learners and support them. I want my learners to speak English fluently. I conducted my first open lesson last week. At that lesson, I tried to create friendly and a positive atmosphere. And I involved my learners playing different games too, which related to my lesson. At that lesson, I believed that my learners would understand me and make sentences using the construction have got, has got. They behaved themselves very good. My tutor gave me a gold advice how to be a modern teacher. How would I describe a modern teacher? Now, I'm sharing some skills and attributes that I think modern teachers should possess. In my opinion, teachers should view personal and professional development as a continuous process. One of the best ways to engage in personal and professional development is by networking. Network with other industry professionals by attending education conferences and events or by joining professional online communities for educators. Networking with other teachers is a great way to exchange ideas about different ways of teaching and to share other useful tips. When I'm free, I use internet sites for reading ebooks. Also, I read our Kazakh literature and books in English too. And thanks for your attention. Good luck everyone and me too.